Thus, today in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are rapidly approaching. We had our first ever hands-on preview of the S24 Ultra a few days ago, and the design was primarily visible from the rear. However, we still lack a picture of its front. In any case, Ice Universe has released a number of incomplete images that they say include the real S24 Ultra. Comparing this display to the S23 Ultra and S22 Ultra, among other models, reveals a flatter display with a much smaller bottom bezel. The S24 Ultra has a more pleasing appearance than previous Ultra phones because to the uniform bezels. The image also displays the punch hole camera's size, which is smaller than it was on the S23 Ultra, as you can see. Next, there were reports that Samsung planned to release an S24 Ultra model with 16 GB of RAM. As it happens, that's not the case. The amount will still be 12 GB. That also eliminates the 2 TB storage version that has been rumored. Positively, the S24 Plus now comes with 12 GB of RAM. Unfortunately, the standard S24 will only have 8 GB of RAM. Here's an actual photo from the S24 Ultra's image gallery that next illustrates an AI function called Expand Image, which does exactly what its name implies. It enlarges an image to provide additional context for the subject. In related news, Samsung has formally announced a new kind of RAM designed for generative AI in mobile devices, raising the possibility that it would be included in the S24 lineup. This RAM's extremely low latency sets it apart from the traditional RAM found in our current phones. This is important since AI and gaming both depend on low latency, which improves performance in both areas. It's interesting to note that this RAM will live alongside the conventional RAM, directly next to the CPU, rather than replacing it. Samsung did not state outright that the S24 would make use of this technology, but rumors have it that they will. Turning our attention to sales data, the S23 lineup has outperformed the S22 series by 23%, selling 25 million copies in just 9 months. If Samsung is successful, the S24 lineup should outperform the S23 lineup, which would be amazing. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.